Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. Today we're going to learn about another frequently made error when writing characters. This error is how strokes drawn together. Are you ready? Let's go! There are three ways that strokes can interact. The first step is separate. Just like the two circles here. They are separate, no touching and no crossing. Many strokes should be separate when we write characters, like this one, 8, which means 8. The two strokes here should be separate. The second type is touching, like the two circles here. They are not separate but not interlinked either. Let's look at the character here. This stroke and this stroke should be touching. The last type is interlinked, like this character here. This stroke and this stroke should cross each other. They shouldn't just be touching or be entirely separate. Okay, here's the three ways that strokes can join together to make a character: separate, touching, and interlinked. When you write characters, you should pay attention to how the strokes join together. Here's a test for you guys. It's the same as the last class task.